Rapidex Home Tailoring course book is a complete sewing book, guidebook for the beginners, students and those who are going to pursue for the fashion designing. It is written by Kusum Sharma. I would like to drag your attention regarding the contents of the book. This is very interesting and learning step by step. There are so many children clothes are there so that you can follow and stitch. So many women's garments and clothes are there. Those are very useful to learn and stitch at home. Few of the men's garments and some home accessories are also there. First chapter of the book is about the sewing machine. So it has mentioned about the different parts of the sewing machines and their functions. How to prepare the sewing machine for the sewing, to change the needle, filling the bobbin and how to fit the bobbin case. There are instructions to prepare the sewing machine for the sewing. At the same time, if there are some problem with the machine, then you can rectify it. And cleaning and oiling the machine is again very important. The relative sizes of needles for the different fabrics are also mentioned. Though sewing machine is the main part to start the sewing, at the same time so many other things are there: measuring tape, chalk, scissors, all pins, and so many other things are there which you needed for the sewing. Iron, French curve, dressing wheels are for the pattern making. Knowledge of fabric is very important when you are going to cut and handle the fabric during sewing. Basic sewing stitches starts with the hand needle, basting, running stitch, back stitch, hemming. All machine stitches and seam finishes are also shown with the figure. Gathers and pleats are important to increase the fullness. At the same time, darts are also there, where the placing of the dart and how to mark and cut stitch. Frills and the smoking. How to take the body measurement by measuring tape, where to place, and the calculation is very important. Measurement charts given for the babies and children as per the age, and for the women and men as per the chest size. Drafting on the paper is very important as per the measurement. Layout plan means folding of the fabric and placing the pattern drafting pieces on the fabric as per lengthwise, widthwise, on cross or on fold. How to cut the different type of necklines and how to finish them. It has mentioned with the name and shape, and how to finish the necklines with the bias strip. Different type of pockets are also mentioned clearly: slash pocket, side seam pocket. And the placket, you should know how to finish the closure or opening of a garment with the buttons, hooks and zip. There are different type of collars as per the type of dress and garment. How to draw a shape of collar by placing bodice block and cut. Shirt collar with band. There are so many types of sleeves as per the requirement or fashion of the garment. Basic plain sleeve helps to draw and cut so many different type of sleeves. Just showing the details of a garment, how to follow. So before any dress or baby frock, here it is: measurements, pattern drafting instructions with the figure. Sewing instructions with images, how to do and how to finish it. Same way it has given for the kurti, fitted kurti. You can follow the instructions and draw the pattern and cut. Sewing instructions are clearly mentioned for every garment. There are some adaptation of kurta designs based on the basic kurta. Very complicated item blouse is given very easy way with the drawing and all the instructions to make the drafting with the cutting points and sewing instructions. Katora cut blouse. High neck. This high neck instructions you can follow for the dress also. Princess cut blouse. Some gagra or lehenga instructions are also there. For men's you can stitch a kurta or a night suit. Some home accessories are also there with pillow cover, cushion cover, bolsters. Sewing machine cover, a bag, even you can stitch a cushion, apron. You can stitch an apron too. This book is available online to buy on Amazon, Flipkart, pustakmahal.com.